need to send a message to many people at once without creating a group? Here's how to broadcast on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Select New Broadcasts from the drop-down menu. Select the contacts you want to send your broadcast to. You can add up to 256 people. Once you have selected your contacts, tap Create. Now type your message and hit Send. The message will be sent individually to each recipient and they won't see who else received the message. Only contacts who have your number saved in their address book will receive the broadcast message. Have you ever used broadcast on WhatsApp? Drop a comment below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.